Hi and welcome. You finish work with every intention of learning something new. Maybe it is Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, AI, Cloud, or another technology. But after meetings, deadlines, travel, and family responsibilities, that 2 hour study plan suddenly feels impossible. And then you start wondering, am I simply not disciplined enough? But the real problem may not be your commitment. Your learning plan may be designed for an energy level you do not have after work. So in this video, I'll share a simple 4-part system that can help you keep learning even on normal tiring work days. Hello, I'm Sheikh Mohammed. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer specializing in data and AI, including Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data, and Power BI. Through this continuous learning series, I want to help working professionals build learning habits that are realistic, practical, and sustainable. Most of us create our learning plans when we feel motivated. We plan to study for 2 hours every evening, but we execute that plan after a mentally demanding workday, and that creates a mismatch between our ambition and our available energy. So we miss one session, feel guilty, try to compensate with a longer session, and eventually stop. So here is the first principle: do not build your routine around your best day, build it around a normal working day. So the system has 4 parts. I call it TBOR: trigger, block, output, and reset. So let us look at each one of these in this framework. Okay, let us look at the first in the framework, which is a fixed trigger. Saying I'll study sometime tonight leaves the decision open, and after work, every extra decision becomes another reason to postpone. So instead, connect learning to something that already happens. For example, after I finish dinner and clear the table, I'll begin my learning block. Or on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30, I'll sit at my desk and start. So behavioral researchers call this an implementation intention, an if-then plan that connects a situation with an action. The second in the framework is use a focused 30-minute block. 30 minutes is not a scientifically magical number. It is simply a realistic starting point for many working professionals. The research-backed principle is to spread learning across manageable sessions instead of relying only on occasional marathon study. So here is one way to use the block. Spend the first 5 minutes recalling what you learned previously without immediately opening your notes. And the next 20 minutes, you learn or practice one small concept, right? And then use the final 5 minutes to record what you already completed and identify the next action. And your session should match your energy as well. On a high energy day, you learn a new concept and build something. On a medium energy day, let's say you continue an existing lab or practice a familiar skill. On a low energy day, you review, recall, fix one small issue, or watch a short section or capture 3 key points. A low energy session still counts because consistency does not require identical effort every single day. The third in the framework is finish with a visible output. Do not measure how long you study, measure what you can do now, recall, or explain. If you're learning Power BI, let's say your output might be one DAX measure. If you're learning SQL, then it might be one query, or let's say if you're learning Microsoft Fabric, it could be one pipeline activity or one notebook transformation or one architectural diagram. So if the topic is conceptual, you can close your notes and explain 3 ideas in your own words, because watching gives you the exposure, but producing something gives you evidence of progress. That small evidence also makes it easier to restart the next session. Fourth, do a weekly reset. This does not need to be another large planning exercise. You spend 10 or 15 minutes on the weekend and ask 4 questions. What did I complete? What interrupted my routine over the week? What is my next small learning routine? And which 3 sessions will I protect for the next week? So research across many studies suggests that monitoring your progress can improve goal attainment, especially when progress is recorded. So keep your tracker simple, right? What you planned, what you completed, the output you created, and the next step. So the purpose is not to judge yourself, it is to adjust the system that you have in front of you. And one more point, continuous learning should not become continuous exhaustion. So 3 focus sessions can be more sustainable than forcing yourself to study every single night. So keep 1 or 2 buffer days and do not consistently sacrifice your sleep just to maintain a learning streak. Sleep plays an important role in strengthening and consolidating new memories. A routine that damages your recovery will eventually damage your learning as well. So here is your challenge. Before next week begins, you choose three 30-minute learning blocks, right? And then give each block a fixed trigger, as we talked about. Then decide one small output for each session. Then review the week and then keep adjusting the plan. Remember the framework: always trigger, block, output, and reset. So your after work learning plan does not need to be impressive. It needs to be repeatable across many weeks so that you can be consistent. In the comments, tell me your best learning window: morning, lunch, break, or evening, and the technology that you're currently learning. So before we close, I want you to know that I'm following the system myself. I'm not sharing this as someone who has completely mastered consistency, right? So I'm also using this approach myself to keep learning after work, stay current with the changes in technology, Microsoft Fabric and data and AI technologies, and prepare for the skills I need next. So some weeks go well, some weeks are busy, but the goal is not to study perfectly every single day. The goal is to keep returning to the process. So each week I decide what I want to learn, break it into smaller tasks, create one visible output, and review what I should continue next. So I've also created a simple weekly tracker that you can use to plan your own learning sessions, and I hope that's useful. You can find it in the video description below. So try it for 1 week, keep the plan realistic, and focus on progress rather than the perfection. If you're someone currently learning Fabric, you may find this next video helpful to understand direct lake technology in Fabric from architect lens. If this video was useful, subscribe and join me for the next video in the continuous learning series. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.